how to fix the Twitter message failed to send problem, the one on the screen right here. Follow up with me and you'll see exactly how to do that. So first we start by going to your settings and then scroll down until you find apps. Once you find it, tap on it, tap on manage apps. You will be taken to your apps list. You can scroll down until you find Twitter, or you can tap on the search box in the top and search for Twitter. Once you do that, tap on the app. You'll be taken here. Tap on notifications in the bottom and make sure you have your notification turned on for this app. Once you have that done, go ahead and quit and tap on app permissions and give this app the following permissions. Once you do that, quit again, and then from here this time tap on storage, tap on clear data in the bottom, and then tap on clear cache. Tap on OK and then quit settings completely. Now once you go back to Twitter and try to send the message, the problem won't be there. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.